Hello students, today we are going to start repeated distribution method. Okay, so this is the first illustration of repeated distribution method. I am going to read now. Orient Paper Company Limited, Usmanabad has 3 production departments and 2 service departments. Okay, total 3 production departments and 2 service department. Their primary distribution summary disclose the results which are as follows. Means there is no requirement to prepare primary distribution. The figures are already obtained from primary distribution. So for department A, B and C, these 3 are production department and 2 service department X and Y. Okay. The expenses of service department are charged on a percentage basis as follows. Means service department X is rendering services to these 4 departments. Means 3 production department as well as 1 service department, and same service department Y rendering services to 3 production department as well as 1 service department. Okay, so they are given some percentage, that is 30%, 40%, 20% and 10%. Okay, the ratio is very simple. We have to remove just zeros. Now the ratio is clear to us. 3:4:2:1. Okay, same we have to calculate ratio of service department Y, that is removing 0. Now 1:2:5:2. Okay, you are required to prepare secondary distribution statement as per repeated distribution method. So we have to follow which method? Repeated distribution method for the period ended 31st March 2015. Okay, so let's start with the solution. In the books of Oriented Paper Company Limited, Usmanabad, statement showing secondary distribution as per repeated distribution method. Okay, we have to mention the method, repeated distribution method for the period ended 31st March 2015. Columns are particulars, ratio, total, A, B, C, X and Y. Okay, so let's start to solve this illustration. First we have to put figures as per the primary distribution summary. So overheads as per primary distribution statement. Okay, clear? There is no need of ratios. We can write the total amount. Okay, so for department A it was 7,810. For department B it is 12,543. For department C it is 4,547. For department X it is 4,000. For department Y it is 2,600. Okay, clear? So total amount is 31,500. Okay, now what we have to do in this method is started from here. So first we have to allot the total cost of service department X over remaining 4 departments. Okay, so in particular column we have to write service department X. What was the ratio? For service department X, the ratio was 3:4:2:1. Here we have to write this 3:4:2:1. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. Okay. So total cost of production department X is 4,000. Right over here 4,000. Now 4,000 divided by 10. Okay. 4,000 divided by 10 is equal to 400. 400 into 3, 1,200. 4,000 into 4, 1,600. 400 into 2, 800. 400 यहाँ से क्या होगा, यहाँ से हम उसको लेस कर देंगे 4,000 को. ओके, फ्रॉम प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंट एक्स, बिकॉज हमने क्या किया, जो भी ओवरहेड टोटल कॉस्ट थी प्रोडक्शन सर्विस डिपार्टमेंट एक्स की, वो हमने बाकी 4 डिपार्टमेंट पे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दी, अलोकेट कर दी. ओके, सो वो एक्स में से लेस हो जाएगी, डिडक्ट हो जाएगी. क्लियर? एंड फॉर डिपार्टमेंट वाई इट इज 400 into 1, 400. Okay, clear? Now we have to make sum of the column X and Y only for service departments only. So X become nil and Y become 2,600 plus 400, 3,000. Clear? Next, same thing we have to do with service department Y. Okay, the ratio for service department Y is 1:2:5:2. 1:2:5:2. Now which amount we have to consider? So this amount we have to consider, that is 3,000, because till now the total cost of department Y is 3,000. 2,600 by the primary distribution and allotted overheads of department X is 400. Total is 3,000. Okay, we write it over here. Now we have to distribute this amount in the ratio of 1:2:5:2. So 3,000 divided by 10, 300. Okay, एक ज़ीरो कम कर दिया, 10 से डिवाइड हो गया वो. ओके, सो 300 into 1, 300. 300 into 2, 600. 300 into 5, 1,500. 300 into 2, 600. और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा -3,000. ओके, clear? Now same thing we are going to repeat. We are making sum. Okay, 3,000 minus 3,000, nil, and nil plus 600, 600. Okay, so it is basically a repeated distribution. Repeated means we have to repeat the same steps. Okay, जब तक ये नील के करीब नहीं पहुंच जाता, दैट मीन्स इतना मिनिमम हो जाए कि जहाँ पॉइंट में आंसर आने लगे वहाँ पे आप छोड़ दो. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज सर्विस डिपार्टमेंट एक्स. ओके, द रेशियो रिमेन्स सेम, दैट इज 3:4:2:1. बट नाउ अमाउंट इज this 600. Okay, so 600 divided by 10, 60. 60 into 3, 180. 60 into 4, 240. 60 into 2, 120. minus 600 and 60 into 160. Okay, now the x will become nil and y is with 60. Okay, next is service department y. We have to repeat the steps. 1 is to 2 is to 5 is to 2. Now the total amount is 60. Okay, so 60 divided by 10, 6 into 1, 6 into 2, 12, 6 into 5, 30, 6 into 2, 12, and here minus 60. Okay, now this department become nil and x have a balance of 12. Okay, now we are in last step. Same step we are going to repeat. Service department x, 3 is to 4 is to 2 is to 1. Now the amount is 12 rupees. Okay, so here we have to settle this amount, because if we divide 12 by 10, the amount is 1.2. Okay, so we are going to settle this amount in these production departments only. Okay, नहीं तो ऐसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते जाएंगे तो बहुत पॉइंट्स में आंसर जाते जाएंगे. जहाँ पे भी पॉइंट में आ रहा है we have to finish this statement over there. Okay, so 1.2 into 3, it is basically 3.6, so we have to round it up with 4. 1.2 into 4, 1.2 into 4, 4.8, we have to round it up with 5. Now 4 plus 5, 9, remaining 3. Okay, so we have to adjust amount in these three departments only. Here we are going to write nil and here in y dash, so it will become nil, it will also become nil, and now just we have to make total of these three columns. Okay, so total of department A is 9,500, total of department B is 15,000, and for C it is 7,000. ओके, सिंपल. लास्ट में कहाँ छोड़ना है? जहाँ पॉइंट्स में आने लगे वहाँ राउंडेड ऑफ कर दो और ख़त्म करो. ओके, थैंक यू.